Hello everyone, today is gonna be a short DIY video. We're gonna turn this old ugly door into a cute and very trendy backyard door. So let's get started. Well, after I cleaned and dust off all the door, I started to hand sanding all the door. Then I applied this multi-purpose primer, like one or two coats, then paper sanded after each coat. And because I have some paint left from previous project, I tried to create the same shade of the taco color on the wall, and I started to paint it and blend it with the original color. Now it's time to apply your favorite color. Mine is red, and I used the same color in my TV table project, which is gonna show at the top right corner of the screen. So I used the paint left from this project to paint this door. I start off with the frame first, then the molding art in the wood with the brush. Then I used the roll to apply the rest of the paint. And at the end I used black paint details like the hinges to complete the look. And I forgot to mention that you have to cover up all the knobs, the locker, before you paint to keep it clean while you're painting. Well, after applying two coats of color and leave it completely dry, I have added this sticker to give cuteness to the final look. So tell me in the comment below what you think. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.